If you ever looked in the mirror and thought, where did I go? You're in the right place. My name is Caroline Drury, and I'm a fitness coach who coaches women 40 plus to come back to their strongest, most fittest selves. I guide women with smart strength training, macro-based nutrition, and a system for fitness that works with your life, not against it. In addition to being a fitness coach for women 40 plus, I'm an entrepreneur and an athlete. I'm the founder of the Beyond Before and After fitness app for women and co-founder of MacroPath, the AI smart nutrition app that just tells you what to eat. But before all of this, I was just like so many of you, stuck in the starting again on Monday cycle, stuck in the all or nothing mindset cycle. And when I looked at myself in the mirror, I wondered if my best years were behind me. But a spoiler alert, they weren't, and neither are yours. This channel is for women 40 and beyond who are looking to stop chasing perfection, quit the quick fixes, and finally build a comeback to yourself and your fitness that sticks. If you want real talk, real tools, and real proof that your comeback is still possible, you are so in the right place. You're going to feel right at home here. Each week on this channel, I'll share strength training strategies that fit into your real life, tips, tricks, hacks, tools, learnings that actually fit into your life and don't make your head explode, and smart macro-based nutrition that actually makes sense and is doable. I'll also talk a lot about mindset strategies to help you stop starting over again on Monday. You'll also see behind the scenes of my life as a wife, as a business owner, and also as an athlete, as I train to run the Great World Race, which is 7 marathons in 7 days on all 7 continents in November 2026. So if you're ready to train, fuel, and reset your mindset and rebuild your comeback, you are right at home. Hit subscribe, turn on your notifications, because your comeback isn't just possible. It's happening, and it's starting right now.